Where's the lights?
Nice, huh? Very nice. Is it hot? Be careful. One night fucking Metroid survived the first Metroid adventure, and it's multiplying rapidly. Well, yeah, and Metroid's cool. Stop. You gotta go round and round and round and round. Excuse me. Dad. I think the Flash could put the lights on pretty fast. Are they gonna use this one?
Probably not this time. See, look at all the light bulbs are all lit still.
This thing isn't even plugged in. Yeah. Don't plug it in. What? We have to wait until Dad says to put it in. Right? Oh, that's it. Uh-oh, you spit. I love to slack. Are they not? Don't get right. Nice. Are they not?
Oh, the lights seem to go the whole distance this time, Pat.
Good. Is that all 50 of them?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe the outfits you like that story. And then it went by my sheet.
Yeah, like what we were waiting for, huh? Now I need some help. We have to move these lights so that they're all
It says
facing out.
REC.
It's recording.
They look all white because there's no color in it.
Yeah.
That's pretty much all.
And that's what color they really would be. I'm thinking that
Okay.
real big.
You guys found your own ornaments? Ones that are yours?
Yep.
Go ahead and put it on where you want. Is that your baby's first Christmas one?
What's so funny, Dad?
Oh, nothing there.
A
Haven't got
baby
cameras
boy
that
is a
didn't have
bundle of pleasure to fill every day with love beyond measure. Mine, camera, says, a boy is a precious gift of a blessing from above. It has all these different things on it. Oh, it says Baby First Christmas, 1982. Oh, it says Baby First Christmas, 1984.
Who's that might be?
There's nothing like a baby girl to cheer and brighten all the world at Christmas. Baby First Christmas, 1981. And this is 1991. A whole 10 years.
We have a white one next to a
when Brian do stupid things.
Seems like most of them are red and green.
Yeah. I know.
Well, they seem to be going red, green, white, and orange.
There's two reds right here. The other side has different
That's
colors
ours,
on
yeah.
it.
We might have to move the lights around.
Maybe you do. I got ready for this light. There, I'll put it way down here. Look, my ornament is pretty heavy. But of course, it's that ornament.
What do you think so far, Ma? How's the lights?
Looks pretty good. Are there more blues on the back?
Yeah, there are a couple of blues in the back.
Why don't you replace some of the orange or red ones, I guess. Why are they standing right in front of it?
You're performing your thing. You guys go find some ornaments.
Oh, yes. Where?
How about some ornaments over where the ornaments are? So from that angle, you get an awful lot of red in there, huh?
I thought that was ornament. Want to put that one in? Use the camera. This is my dad's ornament. It says, and it was always said of him that he knew how to keep Christmas well. If any man alive possessed the knowledge, may that be truly said of us and all of us. And so, as Tiny Tim observed, God bless us everyone. Charles Dickens, A Christmas Carol. And there's Tiny Tim. Right there with all his food. God bless us everyone.
Yeah. You know I had one.
Well, yeah, of course you had. Now everyone has one. You know now that. Oh, I want Christmas then.
I guess I can pretty much leave this and
Come on over and join us, sure.
You did the happy Christmas teacher. Get your happy Christmas teacher. I don't know, what's that? Says, Merry Christmas, teacher. At Christmas play and make good cheer, for Christmas comes but once a year. A Christmas toast, 16th century. I'll bring one in.
Here, Russ, here's some ornaments right here.
Oh, here's the sewing ones.
Here's an empty socket.
Got a little song.
Sign the empty song.
Whoever can win. Whoever can
Take a
win.
eggnog.
Huh? Whoever can win.
I assume it was out front, right? Now, wouldn't it be great if when we roll this tape back, we will, and someone will have spotted it before we spotted it, you know?
Okay, they're not in front.
Oh, that's what I'm playing. I'm talking to
This little angels are flying by. Flap, flap, flap. Hurry up, flap, flap.
You put these on your own little trees.
Right.
I found one of Mommy's folded star balls.
Oh yeah, that's mine. It's supposed to be in there. It's mine, and I'm gonna give it away.
Can we each put 2 bells on our tree? Or wherever we
Where?
A lot of kids doing that.
Are they? I don't know.
People are working.
Oh. I thought you meant wearing Christmas ornaments for evening. I mean, I've got my Christmas ornaments on.
Yep.
Where's my bell? Right, give me my bell. Mama.
Something we forgot to know. I mean, it is a Scotch pine wall.
Alright, Mom.
Don't give me a hand with this, Russell. Russell, give me a hand with this. Get over there. And down below the bottom.
Scotty pine.
Russ,
Mom, listen to this. Listen to all these people clapping. Looks Scottish.
Looks like a Scotty pine.
Oh, where's my skirt?
I found it. Where's the bulb now?
Ew, I don't know. Where is it? Mama, look it. I made that. Yes, look it. Mom. Can I, where is the tree that we put our own ornaments on?
It's in your room. Okay?
Oh, there it is. Here's another one of my ornaments. Well, I got a lot of ornaments.
Well, let's get away from there. It's way too close. You can't see it. All you're doing is aggravating the camera.
I didn't know you could aggravate a camera. Russ is good.
I can try. It's Sky Song. Hello, hello. Come on.
There you go. Take them right on.
Oh, no, you know what you can do is just loop them right around your ear. Oh,
Sure,
really?
tried that out for some. It's your problem having Noel ears.
Like my new earrings are tape. I'm wearing one that's supposed to be Scotch tape.
You're just gonna wear one rest? That's the boys thing.
Right.
Mama, everything's Scottish. Or Scotch tape. Look at that. Show it. It's a Scottish pine. No, 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 no. I'm going this tomorrow.
You are, huh?
Yeah, I am.
Sure.
Yeah, yes. I need to take this one. I'm such a darling, aren't I? I smashed into her. They don't look eyes dangling when they put them around your ear.
Yeah.
They look like.
What?
It hooked on it when I guess I went, meow, and it flew off.
Oh, are you gonna put these up or what?
Huh? Well, I need to take.
My friend made this for me.
Mom. Mom, everyone's wearing Christmas.
Sorry about that.
Mom, if I'm walking down the hallway, everyone thinks Santa's in the hallway.
I can tape these out for you. I don't
You're like, girl, you look like a girl with short hair.
I look like a girl. You are. Ice cream, ice cream.
Mom, look, I'm fast.
Right, Chris, you're right about ice cream.
My wife was doing it. Come on, you can see the bottom of the chair doing the top.
Why? You can't reach? You're too old and fragile.
I just figured because you're shorter than I am, you would do the bottom of the chair.
Hey,
I didn't do
Mama,
You're too young and full of stuff.
right down here. Right down here.
No.
This one right here.
Awesome.
Look, right here. Right here.
Love the flower. Really, really tall.
Did you remember that yesterday? When you left the temple?
Wow.
Really?
Perfect. I hate it multiplied
Let's not forget what Christmas is all about.
I like that.
I didn't think some people at the fair. Some people did. No, I mean they said some people at the fair, not people at the And we were singing Cozy Pieces. The first one, Emma King was always,
Hey, guess what? I got it.
Hey, it's creative. You guys can put one on each of your little tree. You remember who that is?
That must be Trace. I have a red one.
I can't even put these up. These are so big.
See where it lands.
This is too small. Right.
I bet I can do it. You just kind of have to.
But it hurts.
Well,
It hurts.
I want smaller.
those are the things you have to put up with when you decorate your tree.
I want
Getting
smaller.
stabbed by pine needles.
Yay!
Ho ho ho. Ho ho ho. Hee hee hee. Ho ho ho. Green giant. Ho 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 ho. Little
Here, do you want this for you?
Little. Oh, that's it.
I want a red
When
one.
you were little, did you wear a red one the last time?
Ho ho. Are there two red ones?
Yes.
Oh, then I want the different one. The girl.
Yeah, yeah. What's up?
You're hanging up right about.
Maybe
Put
Ryan, I said.
What did you say?
I found something you